Alright, so welcome back. So, Mr. Bell's class consists of 4 sophomores, 10 juniors, 5 seniors. How many different ways can Mrs. Bell create a 4-member committee of juniors? Ten juniors. So we want 4 out of the time. That's going to give us 210 on our calculator. Excellent. Alright. Which graph relation is not a function? One fails the vertical line test. This one fails. Line, we're touching both. Fails. The value of tan 126 degrees 43 minutes, thousandths. That's the calculator. We should get choice 2. The expression is equivalent to, when we do that question, we have to multiply through by the conjugate. So remember, your conjugate is the denominator. I'm going to change the sign. So that's really going to be 5 plus radical 13 and 5 plus radical 13 in the numerator. Alright, when we multiply that, we end up with 4 times 5 plus radical 13 divided by 25 minus 13. 25 minus 13, and you're going to get 12. 12 is that, so we have 3. So choice 3. Next question. Acom, that's 25,000. So we're going to plug this into the formula. So we have A is equal to 25,000 times T. We want to know the interest rate is 0.0475, and the T is how long are we doing this for? T. T. And we want to know it's triple, so this is really going to be 75,000. Okay. First thing you can do is divide that, so you end up with 3 equals e to the 0.7475t. Get rid of the e's by ln'ing each side. So ln of 3 is equal to 0.745t. We ln that side. Divide. Ln of 3 by 0.745. Is equal to t, which we should get 23.1. Good. The value. So for a summation question, we're going to plug in r. So I'm going to start when r is equal to 3. So you have negative 3 squared plus 3. That's equal to 6. R is equal to 4. R is equal to 4. 4 squared plus 4. That's equal to negative 12. squared plus 5 is negative 20. Add them up, and you get negative 30. Alright, inverse cosine. Inverse cosine has to be a function. So therefore we can't see the full curve. And so it starts at 1, puts 0, ends at 1, plus 3. It's a very poor question. They're not giving you the functional answer. Next. 20. Cube root of that in terms of logs. So we're going to go through our log rules, right? So we have log 1/3 to the outside, so that's the power. A squared plus 1/3 log B minus 1/3 log C. This 2 goes in front, so it's really 2/3 log A plus 1/3 here. Alright, solution set. For this, you have to square both sides. So, we end up with 3x plus 16 equals x plus 2 squared. You know that x plus 2 squared is not x squared plus 4, but it's x squared plus 4x plus 4. Alright, that's going to give you a quadratic of x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Giving you x plus 4, x minus 3. So x equals negative 4, and x equals 3. Alright, you got to check. Negative 4. That's negative 12. No, can't equal a negative. Negative 4 rejects. Just get trusted. Alright, last question. Brian Cook used the method of laying the square to solve the equation. His first step was to rewrite the equation. He then added a number to both sides. Which number did he add? 7 divided by 2 squared, which is going to be 49 over 4. Okay. Divide that b term by 2 and square it. Proof. We have the Alamo up top, so everybody should be recognizing that that's 1 over cosine squared. And 1 over cosine squared is secant. And number of minutes to summarize below. The mean is 17, which could be used to calculate x. So 14 times 5 is 70. That's 45. That's 16x. We got 85. 36, 190, and 20. Good. So we know the mean is equal to the sum divided by the number. To the sum divided by total number. Alright. page. Rating measure this morning will be formed by the hands at 7 o'clock. So, 7 o'clock looks like this. So, gives us 5, 12 times 2 pi, which gives us 5 pi 6. Coefficient of the fourth term, that's going to be 9C3, A2B sixth, negative 4B to the third. So, this coefficient, which was A. Type that in the calculator. Estimate the scatter plot formed by this stated below. So we're looking at this type of a graph. For me, it's going to be 1. Alright, so let's stop there.